Okay students, welcome back. We are starting with practice set 2.2. Okay, practice set 2.2. The first problem is they have given a particular diagram where M and N is parallel line. You have a transversal which forms two interior angle X and Y. Measurement of X they have given is 71 degrees. You can see measurement of X is 71 degree and Y is 108 degree. मी उल्टा पुल्टा लिहिलं होतं, so I have made arrow signs here. Measurement of X is 71 degree, Y is 108 degrees. Measurement already given है. Justify means you have to say whether line M and N are parallel or not. Are they parallel or not? You have to find. Okay. Now say X and Y are interior angles. So what we have a test of interior angle test. X plus Y should be equal to 180. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll plus X and Y. X plus Y, that is 108 degrees plus 71 degrees. Y plus X किया तो क्या हो गया 107 डिग्री प्लस 71 डिग्री. So that is 179 डिग्री. एक डिग्री कमी है. It is not 180 डिग्री. 179 डिग्री is not equal to 180 डिग्री. एक डिग्री कमी है. So that means if you extend this line, हे पुढे जाऊन 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 कुठेतरी मार्स आणि ज्युपिटरवरती एक दुसऱ्याला इंटरसेक्ट करणार. ओके, दे आर नॉट पॅरलल, दे विल इंटरसेक्ट समवेअर. एक डिग्रीचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. तर एक डिग्रीने यू कॅन एक्सटेंड दिस लाईन अप टू मार्स. कुठे ना कुठे मध्ये इंटरसेक्ट होईल आणि मार्सपर्यंत नाही झालं तर ज्युपिटरपर्यंत तर नक्कीच होईल. ओके, चलो फॉरगेट इट. समजलं. Since X plus Y is equal to 179 degree which is not equal to 180 degree, hence interior angle test for parallel line is not satisfied. Therefore the lines M and N are not parallel. हे तुम्हाला असं लिहायचं आहे. I'll send you the photograph of this. Okay, first problem समजलं आहे. We'll move to the next problem. In the next problem they said you have to prove that line L and is parallel to M. Okay, line L is parallel to M. तुम्हाला prove करायचं. What they said, angle A is congruent to angle B. Angle A is congruent to angle B. Now how can we prove? We don't have any exterior alternate test सारखं काही नाही आहे. It is exterior angles. Alternate angle, that too exterior alternate angle. Okay, but we don't have any such test. So instead we'll take X. हा X दिलेला नाही आहे. Consider this X as an angle. Okay, so measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle X. म्हणजे angle A आणि angle X सेमच मेजरमेंट्स आहे. Reason in the bracket will be not given, sorry, it will be vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. Okay, so now A is congruent to X and now we have X is congruent to B. Why? Because A is congruent to B. If A is congruent to B and A is congruent to X, so automatically X will be congruent to B. Now here X and B are corresponding angles. You can see line L, line M and line N is the transversal and X is a corresponding angle to angle B. Therefore since corresponding angles are congruent, hence as per corresponding angle test of parallel lines, lines M and line L are parallel. समझ में आ गया? चलो ठीक है. Now we'll move to the next problem, that is problem number 3. Here you are having three lines. They haven't told you whether they are parallel or not. Three lines lying in the same plane. They are intersected by a transversal K. Okay, K passes through all the three lines such that angle B and angle A, in the problem they have given angle A is congruent to angle B and they have given angle X is congruent to angle Y. Okay, now in this particular case we have to prove that all the three lines are parallel. This is your problem. How will you prove? In case of line L and M, these two lines and a transversal K, presently ignore this line. Forget about this. हे नंतर consider करू आपण. Okay, now we have angle A and angle B are corresponding angle. If we take this as a transversal, या टाईपमध्ये बघा समजायला होईल. जरा पेपर टर्न करायचं. ओके, सो parallel this line and a transversal and these two are corresponding lines, corresponding angle, sorry. corresponding angle A is congruent to B given. Since corresponding angles are congruent as per corresponding angle test for parallel lines, line L and M are parallel. Okay, first pair is parallel, we have proved this, first pair parallel. Now come to the next part. The next part is this one. Now while solving this particular part, we will ignore this line L and we will consider only line M and N. Okay, line M, line L. Let's consider this particular small line as a transversal. Okay, this also can be, you can consider this as a transversal. Okay, समझ लो as a transversal. So now X and Y, they form alternate angles. Okay, and X is congruent to Y. Why? It is already given in the problem. Given X is congruent to Y, and since they are alternate angle, therefore as per alternate angle test, we can say that line M is parallel to line N. This will be statement 2. Okay, statement 1 we got L is parallel to M. Next is M is parallel to N. Therefore L will be parallel to N, and all together we can say line L is parallel to M, which is parallel to N. So all three lines are parallel. समझ में आया? हो गया थर्ड वाला प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. Fourth problem. Okay, this particular problem, this is a real tough problem. Okay, so just for your kind information, I have written here already tough hai. Okay, so all other problems where you are writing it 5 times, this particular problem, only this particular problem, you will be solving this 10 times. Okay, मी आता सोल्यूशन तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. एक्सप्लेन केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला त्याचा फोटो पाठवणार आहे सोल्यूशनचा. अँड okay, I think I have to increase some light brightness. काफ़ी है? Yes, done. Okay. अरे यार इसको थोड़ा इसी पकड़ के करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now let's consider what in the problem they have given that ray DE. This is a ray, not a line. It has arrow on one side and dot on the other side. Ray DE is parallel to ray AB. Okay, these two rays are parallel and there is another segment joining to the point C. Okay, joining C and joining D. Here they said that this is 100 degrees, this is 50 degrees. You have to find angle ABC. How can you find? Okay, so in this particular problem, only this is the problem. Okay, the dotted line is not the problem. The dotted line is the part of solution. So in order to solve this, what you have to do is first draw a dotted line XY. Draw a line XY such that it passes through segment C and is parallel to DE and AB. Okay, DE and AB are already parallel to each other. So if we draw any line which is parallel to AB to one particular line, it will automatically be parallel to the other line also. Barabar, we have seen in the corollary. If one line is parallel to the other, if one line is parallel to the other and the other is parallel to the third one, then automatically the first line is parallel to the third one. Okay. Now, diagrammatic हो गया अपना presentation. Start from here. Let's consider DE is parallel to XY and the segment DC is a transversal. If we consider this as a parallel line, this as a parallel line and this line as a transversal, then we have angle EDC. EDC is equal to angle BCX. Okay, no, not BCS, DCX. Okay, this angle will be equal to DCX. If this is 100, this will be 100. Okay, now in the problem they have already given काय दिलं तिकडे. Okay, here they have already given this 50 degrees already given in the problem itself. So now what we have to do is, let's say किधर गया पेन? हाँ इधर है. Okay, this is already 50 degree. Now since this is congruent to this, that means angle XCD is equal to 100. Alternate angle test we got this already as 100. So we can put as angle XCD is equal to angle XCB plus angle BCD. Kai is the big, this particular big angle वी कॅन गेट दिस प्लस दिस. ओके, अँगल ॲडिशन पॉस्ट्युलेट ब्रॅकेटमध्ये रिझन टाकायचं आहे, अँगल ॲडिशन पॉस्ट्युलेट. और अँगल ॲडिशन प्रॉपर्टीसुद्धा लिहू शकता तुम्ही. पॉस्ट्युलेट नाही समजलं तर राईट अँगल ॲडिशन प्रॉपर्टी. इट्स ॲब्सोल्युटली वन अँड द सेम. सो यू गेट दिस ॲज, let this be x. Okay, we'll put this as x. The measurement of this will be x. X plus 50 is equal to 100. We already have this. XCD is 100. So x plus 50 is equal to 100. So when we solve the equation, we get x is equal to 50. So when we get this as 50 degree, finally what we have to do is forget about this case. झालं आपलं काम. Now let's consider line XY is parallel to line AB, and such that segment BC is a transversal. If this is a transversal, this line is a transversal. Okay, so now parallel line, we have to find angle ABC. Now angle ABC and angle XCB are interior angles. Okay, interior angles lying on the same side of the transversal. That means angle XCB plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Correct? So solve this. Now let this ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 50. Subtract केल्यावर you will find that angle ABC is 130 degrees. Okay? समझ में आ गया? चलो, बहुत लंबा हो गया प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन अगर नहीं समझा रहेगा तो आई कांट रिपीट इट बिकॉज द व्हिडिओ इज ऑलरेडी टू लॉन्ग. 12 मिनिट झालेलं आहे, नाहीतर जाणार नाही. ओके, जर नाही समजलं तर दिस पार्ट ऑफ द व्हिडिओ यू रिवाइंड अँड रीचेक अगेन. ओके, फक्त हा प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 4चा. चलो.